Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm AWS CLI works and you know the API type, region, stage, and auth method. Once done, retrieve the invoke URL from the deployed stage and inspect resource paths. Next, run a simple curl or HTTP client get against a public endpoint to validate connectivity. If the API requires an API key or IAM, include the key header or sign the request. These steps get you immediate feedback so you can iterate quickly. Now you exercise secured paths. For API keys, include XAPI key and test quota behavior. For IAM, sign requests using AWS4 or use an AWS SDK with temporary credentials so you simulate real callers. Once you can authenticate, send representative post/put payloads to endpoints integrated with Lambda or HTTP backends. Make sure mapping templates and content type transform work as expected by inspecting logs. Use stage variables to switch backends without redeploying so you can validate different environments efficiently. Finish by exercising edge cases and monitoring. Hit 4xx/5xx routes, test cores per flight with options, and simulate throttling to observe retries. Once done, check CloudWatch for execution logs, integration latency, and access logs to pinpoint failures. Correlate timestamps with request ID. If errors persist, toggle stage logging, review mapping templates, and test the backend function directly. One troubleshooting tip. When behavior differs locally versus deployed, compare request headers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.